As we told you just moments ago, President Donald Trump is expected to speak about tariffs during tonight's State of the Union. The Supreme Court struck down the sweeping tariffs the president imposed in a series of executive orders. But what happens to the more than $130 billion in import taxes already collected? Our Jade Jarvis joining us now in the newsroom with the impact on businesses here in Florida. Jade?
Well, Felicia, the next step here is paying that money back to importers all across the country, but that timeline is a bit unclear.
It's a lot of money, and there's hundreds of thousands of U.S. companies that will receive the money that they've already paid.
Peter Quinter is the chair of the U.S. Customs and International Trade Law Group at Gunster Law Firm based in Boca Raton. He's also a former employee of U.S. Customs and Border Protection. He says all U.S. importers should expect a payday.
Mostly companies pay it. You know, the Costco's and Walmart's and Target's and right down to your small mom and pop companies. They all pay customs duties. Some will get a few $1,000s back, and some companies will get tens of millions of dollars back from the U.S. government.
He says Florida's companies can expect a big piece of the pie.
Florida's, the third largest state in the country. We have tens of thousands of import companies. All of those companies are entitled to refunds. It's going to be great for the economy. $150 billion back to the U.S. economy.
And as far as when companies can expect to get that money back, Quinter says that the case is going to be sent back to the U.S. Court of International Trade, and then it could take anywhere from 6 months to a year and a half. Reporting live in the newsroom, Jade Jarvis, WPBF 25 News.